To give a report, you need to create an Excel file first. It is very important to proceed with a particular order, which will make your work management way better as you proceed. Very well, let us begin our session. Through this section, layout, page layout, and like this, we'll make a table for ourselves. For example, I merge this part. Just give me a second. Like this. And then we write down something like ambiguity or uncertainty report. Yes, something like this. And just be sure to do this, because later you will not remember what items you had as the items that you were not certain about, and how to control them. Therefore, having an ambiguity file will help you a lot. Very well, and then we specifically specify them, like write down the date here, and then your specified description, which part or section it is, like whether it is a floor or something else. I write floor here, and after that we write down the results. The result of mentioned ambiguities coordination. And after you've done this, furthermore, you write the date again. That is very important. And again, after you've done this, you write down the name of the attached file. Yes, the name of the file that is attached. Okay, very well. After you've done this, let me give them some order here. If you press the button Ctrl plus X and then Ctrl plus V, you can put them wherever you want. Very well. After you've done with this, an environment will be created here for you, which you can easily manage it, and you can check or revise your files on demand. Needless to say, it is easily accessible. Okay, now like this, you control them, and then now you select all of them by double click, and by another click you have a more open space here. Now we create a date for it. For example, let us assume that a part of this detail does not fit. Like we want to check the connection here, which does not exist. For example, we copy the file like this and cut it out or separate it. Just be sure to do this so you can control your work, And then we save this file. In a destination, you wanna save your files, whatever you want to be. We will talk about this in more details later. And now you go to this file and then DWG, and then we create a file here. For example, 0, the name of the project, F7, 0-F7, and then again dash, and then as for the date, let me first give the name, like issues. Very well, and then we enter the file, and then right here 0 dash. Now you enter the date, 15/10/1400, and then we save it. Now we make a copy of this because we don't want to go look for them later, and I save this Excel file as well. I name it DWG issue. Okay, DWG issue. Give it a destination. Here. Yes. Now let's go to this page. and then we browse it. In a destination we'd like to, Revit Steel, here, and then DWG, issues, and we write here, issues, yeah, write issues, and then we save it. Okay, now we said we want to sort them out, right? For instance, I enter the date 1510 of the year 1400. Yes, like that, you enter the date. Now let's not make this hard for ourselves. Let me delete this and then select the whole column, right click, and then through the format cells, through the number section, we select the date, and through here let me find Iran. Okay, Iran or Persian, yes, Persian. Great, now we select the date like this, and then you select the input button and turn it on. Very well, we're done. And now we can enter the date based on whatever we want, or whatever that is common in our country. And then to be more comfortable, I delete this, because we're entering the date based on the day you're doing this project. You can just write equal and then today, the word today, yes, like this, equal today, open close parenthesis. This will give you the date automatically. This is the date of today, which is solar. And then you enter the descriptions. For example, let me see. Based on our information, the connection is not complete. Yes, very well. I emphasize again that your descriptions or your explanations must be complete and thorough. Don't summarize it. We'll continue in the next part.